Kia ora guys, I'm Georgia from Mooch and today I'm going to be painting skirting boards in architraves. So we've just picked these up from Bunnings. They're really good because they're MDF, so they're nice and affordable and come in a range of different styles to suit your houses. And they're also pre-primed, so that's one less step we have to do. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to give them a light sand just with a 220 sanding block, just to get rid of any imperfections that may have happened in store or during transit. And then we're going to be painting them with this kitchen and bathroom semi-gloss paint from Resin in the colour Alabaster, and I will be using a 63mm Hayden brush. We pre-paint our skirting boards before we install them. It's just one less step, and then all we have to do is go in and touch them up once they are installed. And painting them is such an easy way to be involved with your reno if you're not necessarily too into being on the tools, and it's really therapeutic painting as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, firstly with the sanding. The Hayden Duster brush is really effective at picking up all the dust after you've finished sanding. So it's nice and coarse, so it gets right into all the nooks and crannies and removes the dust. Cool, so now is the stage where if you don't have pre-primed skirtings and architraves, this is where you would prime them. But since we do, we're just going to go straight ahead and start painting. We are using the 63mm Trailblazer brush by Hayden. We found this brush the best to keep a smooth finish. I'm going to give my paint a nice good stir, and then I'm going to start painting. Remember that this is just your first coat, so you don't need to go too thick, as we will be doing 2 to 3 coats. Well, there you have it guys. Painting your skirting boards is super easy and a great way for you to help out if you don't have the confidence at doing the bigger projects in your renovation. To see the finished project, head over to our Instagram at Mooch. We are currently renovating our bathroom and laundry, and these are going to go beautifully in there. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to see more videos like this.